What's good, guys? Your boy, No Mercy, No Mercy, 4K, Dewey Mercy in the building, and back at another banger reaction video. Today we got another K-pop Demon Hunter song. It's called "This Is What It Sounds Like," official music video. Let's see what it's talking about. If you enjoyed this video and enjoy my reaction to it, and want to see me react to more videos like this, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're new, I post every day for you guys, daily bangers just like this. But let me know your thoughts, what you think about this song and my reaction to it. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. K-pop Demon Hunters, this is what it sounds like. Music video, let's check it out.
Nothing but the proof of what I am, the worst of what I came from, patterns I'm ashamed of, things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
Oh, this sounds deep right now. Okay, hold on. But it's some real shit.
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
Sounds
Show
powerful
me
right
what's
now.
underneath.
This sounds powerful right now.
Meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like.
Stop the song!
We're
What the hell?
in the silence, we're rising, defying.
Oh my god, bro, he just came out of nowhere?
You're not alone.
We listen to the demons, we let them get between us.
But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars. So we're not heroes, we're the survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
Definitely sounding powerful, bro. It's nice.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back, but now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our heads? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like.
Okay. Hey, nah, I ain't gonna lie, they were low-key snapping, man. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. That was a nice song, bro. It was very powerful sounding, and I like songs like that. I like songs that feel very, like, powerful, very nice, saying inspirational. It felt like, you know what I'm saying, they were overcoming. It was a very nice song. It felt like they were overcoming some hard situations, hard circumstances, and it'd be like that, bro. It'd be like that. We all go through it. We all have our things we gotta overcome. Hey, man, that was a W song. Hope you guys enjoyed that song. My reaction to it, though, if you did enjoy, want to see me react to more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I post every single day, daily videos and bangers just like this for you guys. But thank you for tuning in and watch this video till the end. If you made it till the end, let me know by commenting. Hey, man, hey, W song, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's a nice song. W song in the chat, W song in the comments. Me to let us know. See you guys next time today.
Shout out to my guy Mercy. Y'all already know I'm NMG for life. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel and check out his reactions.